So it could probably hold 8, 9, maybe 1,000. I mean, if we end up blowing it up, you know, so be it. Well, the secret's out. You just saw it. European Auto Group has a 2020 Mark V Toyota Supra. More of like a BMW, but it's still a Toyota. We did pick this car up specifically to do a 6-speed manual swap on it. Now that we've got it into the shop and we started looking around a bit, well, it is a BMW platform. It's got a ton of potential, so we do have a product line that's going to come out for this car. I put about 1,000 miles on this car, and I didn't really care about the car too much at first, but once you start driving it, you can start appreciating the car for what it is. A lot of people are saying it's a Z4, it's a BMW. Well, they're not wrong. It is. It's a Z4. But as everybody knows, BMW probably builds one of the best driver-oriented cars that you can buy. And I think that this was a good partnership for Toyota and BMW. Ton of potential, ton of tuning potential. The 6-speed manual is coming. We're hooking up with Pro Tuning Freaks out of Canada. They supply us with our BMW tunes, so I'm very confident in their quality and their knowledge. So we are going to work with them, do some dyno dyno runs, and do some dyno tuning and stuff like that. Try to get some power out of this. We are going to have our first dyno day here coming up, so we want to see what kind of power it makes with the Stage 1 tune. We're not going to mess with anything else on the car at this point. We just want to see how much power it makes just out of the box, and then obviously with the tune and stuff. So product-wise, we do want to come out with our own custom exhaust system, custom downpipes. We were looking at the turbo setup in this car. We were going to maybe go with like a pure stage turbo, but we noticed that the exhaust manifold is different. It's not the same as the B58 BMW platform. So most likely what we're going to do is just a bigger custom turbo, everything from scratch. Most likely build the motor out. I mean, it's got forged internals now, closed deck design, so it could probably hold 8, 9, maybe 1,000. I mean, if we end up blowing it up, so be it. Build the motor out and make some more power. But yeah, we're gonna have a ton of cool stuff coming out for it. Bunch of new content with this car, and yeah, stay tuned, like and subscribe. If you haven't seen the article, check it out. The link's in the description. It's about the 6-speed manual, and yeah, just stay tuned for all the other cool stuff that's coming out and all the new products we're going to come out with. Until then, see you later.
Wait. No, that's it.